Lucia. Very sunny.
Yeah, what they done, they have some of them, they would cut it. You would cut it and have the...
Alright, so this is I am not even gonna try that. Lushan Xcape. There's a little bar here. This is a rum factory. And look at that girl. This is in the rainforest. That was the other side of the bar that we were just at. And this is the trail. Not sure where it takes you. Up there. Entrance. Aha. Ooh. Be careful. Kind of. I don't know. We'll go this way. There's a fork in the road, but usually you should always go right. Ginger. Whoa! Almost fell. That's another bar. That might be where the rum is. I'm gonna go down this trail a little way, see what's down here. Let's see. Another trail. All right, I'll bring you to the end of it. Okay, so I saw what it does. It just basically goes around and just so you don't have to walk down those steep areas. I think. Could be wrong. I don't know. There's trails all over this place. Wow. Everywhere you look, there's a different trail. We can go back up that way to the bar. That way doesn't look like it's been used much, so we'll go back up this way. All right, bring it to the end. I'm not sure where that goes. This is the top area. Here we go, baby. Cheers. Oh!
Oh, that's good.
Oh, that tastes like eggnog. Let's do
Yeah,
another.
yeah.
For peanut, I did. The spice was good. I will not try that because it might be caffeine. We're in Asian Beach, whatever it is called. There it comes. No?
Yeah.
Not cold?
It feels warmer than the other beaches, which...
Sunrise paints the sky in gold and red. Got no worries running through my head. Just the rhythm of the ocean tide. Nowhere in the world I'd rather hide. Oh, take me to that island breeze, dancing through the coconut trees. Your worries wash away with ease. Living on island time, if you please. Got a mango drink here in my hand. Wiggle my toes down in the...
Going.
We're skipping dinner tonight, and we're going back by the seafood shack. We might eat there, but we're going to play some dominoes with Chris and Kevin. It's good. I like it. It'll be fun.
Menu was horrible.
Yeah,
Horrible.
you really not
Nobody
like
liked anything.
No.
All right.
We'll be back with you
Wait
later.
till you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Here we got the seafood shack. Terry got fish and chippers. I got soupy clam chowder.
And you got
And one of those. And Christine got soup. And Kevin got crab legs. I think I'll steal one.
yep.
Oh, it's